Well, I'm going to start on my fairy garden greenhouse. It's a kit my hubby bought me for Valentine's Day, and it's going to be lots of fun to build. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and it is Fairy Garden Thursday. And this is a collaboration, and you just put in Fairy Garden Thursday and it'll come up with a whole list of fairy garden stuff that people have been working on. And it is hosted by Grandma Sandy, the Fairy Garden Queen. She has many things to build fairy gardens with, and it's lots of fun to watch her channel. So let's get on with this video. I received a gift on Valentine's Day, and I saved it for the summer because I knew we would be out at our RV park, and some days I would be looking for something to do, and I love to be creative. So I'm looking at all the directions and the instructions and stuff, and I figured out that one of the bags had an Adirondack chair, a little shelf, and a little table that go inside the greenhouse. So I found this little kit. So it was a bag with all these parts in it, and that's where I'm going to start. Here you can tell what I'm doing, but I'm going to explain it anyhow. Anyhow, all the blue pieces, or all the white pieces are the table, the blue pieces are the Adirondack chair, and the yellow pieces are the shelf. So I got those pieces all picked out. So now I'm going to start building the shelf. Getting all the pieces in order. And hopefully you don't find this too boring, but I'm just going to play some nice music as I build it. Here I'm showing you the instructions, and we'll see how that goes. Oh boy, I'm sure happy that they have a picture for me to follow. I'm not very good at following instructions because I just like to wing everything that I craft. But I'm going to have to pay attention and do what the instructions say. Thank goodness for a picture. Some of the shells were hard to get into the holes, and this last shelf was giving me trouble, so I had to stop, and I think I scraped it a little bit on the plastic so that it would fit in there just perfect. And I did finally get it in there and get the shelf finished. I'd like to invite you at this time to subscribe to my channel. And if you're new, welcome, welcome. I hope you enjoy all the fairy garden videos. They're always so much fun. and always something new to see. And I'd like to thank my regular subscribers who watch all the time, and hope you enjoyed this. And there's my little shelf all done, and it's so cute. I'm excited about getting on with the other pieces. So now I'm going to start on the Adirondack chair. I sure have trouble saying that word. But anyhow, I love that it's a pretty blue color. So we're going to get busy and get this done. Here I was having a little trouble getting this chair to stay together, and I know I needed, so I ended up gluing a few pieces together, and it worked just fine. Now I'm opening some stuff that goes on the table, and it's a book, and it's a newspaper, a tablecloth, and a garden guide, and they all go on top of the table. And this table is very cute, so let's sit back and watch me put it together. And we'll just listen to the rain coming down. I know we need the rain, but I'm one of those people that like the sunshine. And now that we're in the middle of sunshine, I'm hoping for rain. Isn't that the way it goes? Anyhow, I got this table partly put together, and I'm seeing where the legs go, and I'm going to glue the legs on. And for some reason, I didn't show the table after it's made. I don't know if I shut my camera off or if my camera battery was dead. But anyhow, here I am gluing on the little legs. And I do glue on all four legs, and I do put the newspaper and the garden plan and the book on top of the table, and the tablecloth, of course. And you'll see that at the very end when I show all three of the projects that I made today. So I sure hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's a little different from my other fairy garden ones, but I'm excited to make this greenhouse. And here are the three finished products: the little Adirondack chair, the shelves that I have things that you're going to see I'm going to put on them, and here's our little table with the tabletop, with the tablecloth, and all four legs. Anyhow, thanks again for spending some time with me, and I will see you in my next video, which will be Sunday home reset.